Here is my audience. Have you ever been stressed before in your life? Of course you have. No matter who you are or what you have done, odds are you have experienced stress. Due to the commonality of stress, I believe that it is extremely important to have a proper understanding of what it is. According to the American Institute of Stress, stress is a physical, emotional, or mental strain or tension. Today, I will inform you about the usefulness of stress, the 3 different types of stress, and ways to cope with it. Hopefully this information will allow you to cope with stress better and allow you to help others who are dealing with it as well. Whenever you experience stress, your brain releases something called adrenaline. And adrenaline puts your body into something known as the fight or flight mode. If I touch a hot stove, for example, I'm going to take my hand away as fast as I can because my body recognizes that as a physical stress that is not good for my body. And you also get some adrenaline before basketball games. This can help you improve in the game. And when you go on a roller coaster ride, for example, the adrenaline can actually be a thrilling experience. And without this adrenaline, we would not survive because we would be unable to recognize harmful circumstances or situations. And the different types of stress are acute, episodic acute, and chronic. Acute stress is short-term. And short-term stress is not usually harmful on your body. It is usually the stress you experience before big games, tests, and things like that. And the next type of stress is episodic acute, and this is more long-term. And side effects include headaches and chest pain. And chronic is the most harmful type of all the stress. It is when you are in a state of constant worry, and it constantly wears down your body. And if it gets bad enough, it can actually end up killing you or giving you a heart attack and very severe things like that. And obviously, stress is extremely severe, so it is important to know how to cope with it. Because as I'm sure you all are aware, stress is inevitable in life. And I would like to demonstrate the importance of dealing with stress with an illustration. What's going to happen when I drop this ball? It bounces right back up. What about dropping this glass? It obviously breaks. And there's only one difference between the two. One of them can react to stress better while the other cannot. Similarly, as people, I think it is extremely important to know how to deal with this so that we can be successful in life and have an enjoyable life. Several different ways of dealing with stress are exercise and getting better sleep. Whenever you exercise, your body releases something called endorphins. Endorphins are painkillers, and different types of exercise are running, walking, swimming, and biking. And getting better sleep helps improve your reaction to stress. And the more sleep you have, the less irritable you will be. And lastly, if you cannot deal with it on your own, it is extremely important that you get help and that you talk to others about what you are going through. So, and odds are, others have dealt with what you are going through, and they can help you and give you tips on how to improve in dealing with stress. In conclusion, I believe that stress is extremely important to understand, and it aids us in helping others deal with stress as well. First, it is important to remember that not all stress is bad. And there are 3 main types of stress: acute, episodic acute, and chronic. And hopefully this information will help you in life and give you a proper understanding of what it really is. The sources I have used for this presentation are the American Institute of Stress, the American Psychological Association, and Anxiety and Depression Association of America. Thank you.